This is Teacher Lorie. Are you ready to read with me again? For today's lesson, let us read At Family. First step, let us name the picture that you will see on the screen. Cat, hut, nut, and last, shut. Your turn. Name the picture that you will see on the screen. Good. How about this? And last. Good job. Blending time. Let's blend together sounds to make word. First word, cut. At. Say cut. Next word is hut. At. Say hut. Nut. At. Say nut. And next word, and last, shut. At. Say shut. More practice using our Flipbook. Ready? At. What's the word? Good try. Next. At. Read the word, kids. Good. At. Say the word. Very good. And last. At. Read the word again. Very good. We are on our last part. Read at words by yourself. Ready? Good. What this? Very good. Next. Very good. And last. Are you ready for my cheer? Okay, I call it Kiss Your Brain Cheer. Because you are so smart, kiss your brain like this.